Good morning. Here's how things are looking in Fargo. Of course, we're under a blizzard warning now this morning. Earlier, it was set to start at 6 a.m., but it's been started earlier because we're experiencing some low visibility in the places in the valley. We're looking out toward I-94 and University, and you can see it's hard to pick out the roadway a little bit here. So lower visibility as that snow is starting to get picked up and blown around here today with those stronger winds, and snow that is currently falling too. And there are other places in the valley where we're struggling, even just south of the Fargo-Moorhead area. This is just south of it's on I-29, south of 52nd Avenue. And you could see the drifts trying to get up onto the roadway here in this location. So the FM area travel not great, visibility down in this region too. And this came in from one of our viewers on one of those overpasses over I-29. This is in Hillsborough area. Thanks, Tom, for sharing this with us. And you can see the drifts on both sides of the road. So some pillow drifts that you'll have to encounter if you're driving up and down I-29. So these are just some locations in the valley that we've picked out. There are places throughout the valley where we're struggling quite a bit with some tough visibility and the roads covered in some drifts. So we've got more snow moving in. We've had that happen for a couple of hours now. You can see it right over Fargo-Moorhead, right in the heart of this especially, but it's moving up all the way up to Highway 2. Crookston's being impacted by this, Fosston, Mahnomen down in Detroit Lakes, Ada, Fargo again included, Castleton seeing some more of this accumulating snow, and that band does stretch down into parts of South Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and our viewers in that southeastern North Dakota here to start off the day. So we're not done with this by any stretch of the imagination. We still have accumulating snow, and the worst of the wind is happening starting right now and continuing through the day today with those gusts getting into the 30s. So visibility down. We're at a quarter mile in Fargo and in Oaks, less than a mile in Grand Forks. A lot of places experiencing low visibility, and temperatures that are above zero in the east and below zero out west. So cold if you're going to have to get out and do some snow blowing or shoveling. Bundle up. You'll need to. 2 below right now in Fargo, 8 below in Grand Forks. We've got wind chills that are already down to near 40 below. It's 37 below in Devil's Lake. That's an area where we're not going to see as much snow, but we're certainly experiencing the worst of the cold here this morning. So you've got a different kind of situation up there, while the rest of us are getting socked in with the snow and low visibility. Winds are strong everywhere. We've got a gust to 38 miles per hour now in Grand Forks. We'll continue to see those winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour today. And again, that's going to cause all those problems with drifting and low visibility on the roads. We heard from the National Weather Service. They've been in contact with several sheriffs around the area. They've been reporting very low visibility, especially on east-west roadways here today. And that makes sense with that northerly wind blowing across it. So the snow will continue to accumulate. We're looking at especially right along the Red River and east from there through the morning. This is noon. You can still see we're getting some snow, but it's not as widespread. So we'll be diminishing things a little bit as far as snowfall is concerned. But the wind stays strong. We're still looking even at the 4 o'clock hour this afternoon at gusts into the 30s and 40 mile per hour range at times. And then heading into the late night hours as temperatures just start dropping even more, we're looking at some numbers into the teens below zero, wind chills into the 40s below, and we still have some blowing snow even around 10 o'clock tonight. And by the way, that blizzard warning in effect until 9. So all day long, we're going to be dealing with this. Now, heading into tomorrow morning, overnight, those temperatures drop like a rock. The wind eases up, but we still have some wind. So we're going to see some wind chills that are down into the 40s, even near 50 below. So here's a look at our snowfall potential on top of what we've already seen. There are going to be places that get an additional 3 to 5 inches of snow, especially in our eastern viewing area, dropping off from there as we head off to the west. So more snow on the way on top of some of us who have already picked up quite a bit. And then our 7-day planner, cold for Friday. We warm up a little Saturday and Sunday with another system of accumulating snow Monday and into Tuesday next week. So winter's not easing up at all here.
It's a rough stretch for sure. Thank you, Lisa.
Still ahead on the Valley today, find out why a North Dakota senator is getting involved with problems at a Fargo post office.